Meet Ethan. He's just like you, a student at Chippewa Falls High School. Ethan is hard at work on his Chromebook, and little does he know his battery is about to die. Lucky for Ethan, he read his Cardinal Mile handbook and knows exactly what to do. He's going to bring his device to the library, receive a loaner until the talented kids of the Chromebook repair team fix his device. Once the repair team has fixed your device, you'll receive an email prompting you to come pick it up in the library.